Good morning, students. This is Murthy sir. Today I would like to explain you about the importance of pH value and its application in daily life. pH value determines the strength of acid or base. pH scale, it's a scale for measuring strength of acid or base. pH stands for power of hydrogen or potential of hydrogen. The strength of acid or base depends on hydrogen ion or hydroxide ion concentration. If it is acids, hydrogen ion or hydronium ion concentration. If it is bases, hydroxide ion concentration. The pH of neutral solution is 7. pH values less than 7 represent an acid solution. pH values above 7 represent a basic solution. The pH scale was proposed by SPL Sorensen. pH scale, its application in daily life. Let us see the different aspects. First one is acid rain. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6 value, then it is called acid rain. Why this acid rain occurs? In industrialized cities, due to air pollution, this acid rain occurs from industrial chimneys and automobiles. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen will be released into atmosphere. These oxides of sulfur and nitrogen will reach the outer atmosphere and they dissolve in rainwater to form strong acids like sulfurous acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This acid rain will show bad effect on living things, plants, animals and humans, and monuments and statues will also be affected by acid rain, decoloration, and the damage of monuments and statues will happen. Let us see the second aspect, tooth decay. Why this tooth decay happens? After taking food, small food particles will remain in the teeth gaps and they should be removed by thorough gargling and brushing. If it is not done properly, the food particles that remain in the teeth gaps, they will be decomposed by bacteria, and in the process of decomposition acids will be released and these acids will damage the teeth. So when we do brushing, the toothpaste contains a base which neutralizes this acid. So proper maintenance of teeth will not cause tooth decay. And next practical example is acidity problem in stomach. Why this problem arises? Due to untimely meals and consumption of excess spicy foods will develop burning sensation and acidity problem in the stomach. Normally, for protein digestion in our stomach, hydrochloric acid is secreted. If this is not utilized properly due to untimely meals or excess consumption of spicy foods, it results in acidity problem. So to neutralize this excess acid generated in the stomach, normally doctors prescribe antacid tablets. These antacid tablets contain magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is also called milk of magnesia. It will neutralize the excess acid generated in the stomach. Fourth practical example is most of the crop plants, they grow well in neutral soils. Generally, the neutral soil will support the growth of plants. Suppose if the soil is acidic, farmer will add a common base called lime water, calcium hydroxide. Suppose if the soil is more basic, Then farmer will add peat. Peat is a decomposed organic matter which contains some acids, so that it will neutralize the excess basic content in the soil. So these are all practical examples. Let us see the pH color chart and pH scale. So pH value we can get with the help of a scale and a color chart. This was devised by SPL Sorensen. You can see here different colors and the values. Value 7 is neutral. 7 is neutral, and above 7 basic or alkaline, and less than 7 acidic. Let us see some practical examples. pH value of blood is 7.4. pH value of milk is 6.6. pH value of gastric juice 1.2. pH value of lemon juice 2.2. pH value of milk of magnesia, which is used in antacid tablets, 10.4. 10.6. So these are the practical examples of pH values. This is pH scale, and different examples are given here. And this pH value is useful for determining the strength of acids or bases. Students, with another concept related to acids, bases and salts, we will meet again in the next class. See you again. Thank you. Good morning, students. This is Murthy sir.